Hello everyone, I am Mayank Arora, Faculty of Journalism Mass Communication Department from Technical Institute of Advanced Study. Today I deliver a lecture on a topic of acoustic. It is a branch of physics and it's the study of sound. The word acoustic is derived from the ancient Greek word akvost, means able to be heard. Acoustic is the science concerned with the production, control, transmission, reception, and effect of sound. Its origin began with the study of mechanical vibration and radiation of these vibrations through mechanical waves and still continues today. Management of echo absorbers in whole is acoustic management. Acoustic is done with wooden surface form and wooden cloth. Research are done to look into the many aspects of the fundamental physical process involved in waves and sound and into possible applications of these process in modern life. The study of sound wave also leads to physical principles that can be applied to the study of all the waves. The study of acoustic has been fundamental to many development in the arts. Some of these, especially in the area of musical scales and instruments, were only explained theoretically by scientists after long years of experiment by artists. For example, much of what is now known about architectural acoustic was actually learned by trial and errors over centuries of experience and was only recent formalities into a science. The next one is disordered filter. If we listen to someone speaking to one on phone, the voice would not sound normal. This sort of effect called disorder is produced using technology. Sometimes distort is using along with echo things of someone speaking from a mine 100 feet below the earth. To make it realistic, distort and echo are used. The next one is sound effect. Artificial emission of sound to accompany action and supply realism in a dramatic production. Kinds of sound effect. The first one is library effects are categorized and maintained on photograph records, audio tapes, or for storage convenience and accessibility. Second one is spot effect are created in a sound studio to duplicate their spotted off screen or on screen source. The third one is actuality effects are recorded outside the sound studio. They either accurately reproduce a particular like coin, drop water, fall bird, animal, gunfire sound. The next one is music. Music is the soul of radio. It is used in different ways on radio as already discussed. Film, songs and classical music programs are independent program on radio. Music is also used as signature tune or theme. Music of various radio program. Music adds color and life to any spoken words program. Music can break monotony. Music is used to give the desired effect of happy or unhappy situation, fear or joy. Music can suggest scenes and location. For example, you have to create a bright early morning situation. This can be done by playing a pleasing note on the flute along with the sound of creeping birds. I hope you understand my lecture. For watching more videos, subscribe and like Technia TV. Thank you all.